milestone. You guys remember this truck? It's Braden's Tacoma. It's got some wheels on it, lift now, since the headlight build that I did and the fog lights. And you know what? First, let's start with a little bit of before. All right, now let's take a look at this thing. Totally stock and factory. We got red lights in here, so I got the flashlight. It's gonna be a little overwhelming, but as you can see, we have tan pillars and tan visors and a tan headliner, and it's a big headliner. Yeah. And handles and little coat hooks. All right, let's see what we can do with this, huh? Okay, so now you saw what I was working with. Now let's show you what got done. Oh man, finally, it's a Starlight headliner. So it's black suede. I'm gonna use the flashlight so you kind of see it. As you can see, it's got a bunch of little fiber optic dots up there. Oh my God. Also, as you can see, all of the pillars and paneling has been dyed black beautifully. The handles, the coat hooks, the visors got done so well. Yeah, so check out how those things came out. I mean, he does really good detail. I really love my dye guy. And then also the A-pillars got all black. So pretty cool. Oh yeah, this thing, including the inside, all black. It's really good work. Almost like OEM. That's better than factory. All right, so what I did was I installed a little button right there. Sorry about the lighting is not so hot in here, but let's turn that on. You ready? You ready? You ready? Oh my God! So check it out. So this is full RGBW twinkle. And there's our shooting star that you just saw too. So I got a shooting star kit in it. As you can see, it slowly changes color and it'll just color cycle through it, and the shooting star goes off every 10 seconds. I did a full little arc almost pretty much from corner to corner. You can see that. Whee! Whee! So this thing's got a couple different modes to it. You can just put it on any single color, or just a color cycle, or just white. As you can see, it's on twinkle. So there's an actual shield inside of the mechanism that spins and does the cool effect that that we know and love. And so this is amazing. Let's go around. And just to show you where the mechanism is, we'll get this seat out of the way. That seat's down right now. I put the seats down just so you could get a full effect. All right, now where is the brain mounted? I built a little trim cover panel thingamabob for it, so you can't see it. Hey, but it's down there, hidden away, and then that's actually all of the fiber optic leads coming out of it, and then going up the C-pillars there, and that is wrapped in carpet. Mostly because it glows. It's super bright, and otherwise we'd be having a bunch of glow come from down there, and that's not where we want the glow. We want the glow all up there. Flipping awesome, and I'm in love with it, and I'm super happy, and yeah. You see the little shooting star just now? Did you see it? Did you see it? Oh, it's so cool. Wait for it. Oh yes, it's beautiful. Beautiful, I tell you. And I don't know, man. I don't know if there's really much else to say other than like, hey, it's a Starry Night headliner, or Starlight headliner, depending on how you look at it, or what you call it in your local hood. But I call it amazing, and I love it. And I guess if it's worth mentioning is I did them behind the visors, so if you put the visors up, you know, it blocks it out. But that's fine. That's the whole point, is I wanted it to be like, yo, there's extras there. So I guess if he's at a meet, like if I was him, I'd leave my visors like that, because any of the taco guys out there, the hardcore ones, will know that these panels are not available in black. And so maybe they'll pick up on the fact that, you know, this is a professionally done quality job. And it looks awesome. It took me about 4 or 5 days to do the entire job start to finish. Not just the poking of the holes. By the way, this is a 500 star fiber optic kit, along with a 144 star shooting star kit. This is not the eBay or the Amazon stuff. This is the real deal stuff. So they are considerably more expensive than your $100, $150 eBay kits. This is not the junk that we used. I don't really understand the point of skimping on product when you're going to be paying so much for the labor, because there's just so much work involved with it. But whatever, people be people. So anyway, product and pricing information will be in the video description. And if this is something that you're interested in getting for yourself, by all means, man, if you're in Florida, then I'd be worth the drive. And I would love to talk to you, but shoot me an email, 13@ByThirteen.com. And that's about all I'll say. You guys have yourselves a wonderful day. This is 13. See ya.